Here are some of the items I'm going to be using in my spring tablescape. I have the candy apple or lime green placemats. They were from Pier 1, I believe. Let me make sure. Yeah, they were from Pier 1 when they had that big clearance. And then I have the, I want to say butternut yellow chargers. Then I have the yellow peony napkin rings. They came from Amazon. Then I have these beautiful dessert plates. They were thrifted. I have the white birds and the bird's nest. They both came from Amazon. And I'm not sure if I'm going to use the yellow or the green napkins. I'm not sure. And I'm using the candy apple green table runner. The green plates from the Dollar Tree. And I have some eucalyptus garland I'm going to use on the table. I have the yellow peonies and the green and the cream mix peonies from Amazon. I'm going to be using the green stem wine glasses, 4 of them because I didn't get 6, crazy me, and then 2 clear stem wine glasses. The green ones came from the Dollar Tree. The clear ones, they were thrifted, I think. Or they either came from, yeah, those were thrifted. And then I have the yellow pillow covers that came from Amazon. Now, I'm pretty sure there are other things I'm going to be using on the table. But as of yet, this is everything so far. So if you want to see how all this turns out, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello friends, this is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on the budget. Now today I am hosting my annual Spring Tablescape Challenge. And my co-host for this challenge is Tammy at the Glam Queen of Decor. Now if you haven't heard of her channel, I'll have a link to her channel down below in the description. Also, there will be a playlist so you can check out the other participants who participate in this challenge. Now, please check out the participants because I know you will enjoy their videos as well as I will. And don't forget to tell me what you think of my spring tablescape down below. You know I enjoy reading your comments.
You made us work, I made us worse. We fell apart 1,000 times, 1,000 times. You moved away, I'm here to stay. I wish I could go back in time, back in time. I'm so sorry that I hurt you so deep. Swear I spent the last few years just trying to change. I'm on my knees and I'm begging you, please. Is there any chance you're thinking about me? If I change my ways, babe, won't you come back to me? Make no mistakes, babe, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't you come back to me? Yeah, I'm a mess, I'm not my best, but I won't stop until you're here, till you're here. You're miles away, it's safe to say. It's almost like you've disappeared, disappeared. I'm so sorry that I hurt you so deep. Swear I spent the last few years just trying to change. I'm on my knees and I'm begging you, please. Is there any chance you're thinking about me? If I change my ways, babe, won't you come back to me? Make no mistakes, babe, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't you come back to me? I just wanna let you know that I'll do anything to get you here. Oh, I could never let you go. I'll make it worth your while if you appear. If I change my ways, babe, won't you come back to me? Make no mistakes, babe, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't you come back to me?
If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below and you'll be blessed.